I want to say this very sincerely. This is for all our good. It's very important that people obey what they are being told. Let us listen to our colleagues in the Ministry of Health and what they are guiding us to do. We are advising Wananchi very simply and very nicely. Please follow the guidelines you are being given. Number one, it is for your own good. Number two, we are now manning these roadblocks in a very serious manner. And you can see we are responsive. This matter of this roadblock has been occupying us since last night. Because there are a lot of people complaining here last night that actually the roadblock was more inside Nairobi and it was cutting out a population of Nairobi that is on this side of the metropolis. We have agreed and we have come here, you see with the Inspector General, we have decided to move the roadblock to some junction up the road, which will make sure that the people who live here, who work in Nairobi, are not unduly inconvenienced. That's very important. Secondly, we are also following the protocols that we have given our teams on the road. That's why we are keen to talk to our senior officers to understand that we are all on the same page. Cargo vehicles, we are allowing them, provided they have 3 staffers. Those who are transporting food, we are allowing them. And then, you know, it doesn't mean that you must have a truck or you must have a canter or a pickup. If you have a small vehicle and you can see clearly you are transporting food to the market, we want to apply the regulations, but with a sense of some common sense in the way in which we do it. Because we want to have everyone participate and support this initiative so that we can work and support our colleagues in the Ministry of Health and all of us to succeed. The most important thing is that we succeed. And the picture of success that we are looking at is if we are able to stem the spread of this disease, as we are being told by our colleagues in the Ministry of Health. So, tafadhali, tusaidiane sisi wote. That is what we are telling people. Tusaidiane sisi wote. But Wananchi also need to know that if we continue this way, where we want to extend, the regulations, these regulations are not elastic. We are not going to extend them. We agree today, let us follow this, and then people keep doing this. You heard His Excellency the President yesterday. If need be, we will move to the next level, and we don't want to go to that level. We want to ensure that we move forward together, tukiwa pamoja namna hii, tusaidiane, tuvumiliane. Our security teams are working hard to support our people. Now our people also need to be cooperative. That's what we are saying here. And that's why you can see all of us out here. This is the County Commissioner Machakos. This is the County Police Commander Machakos. And all these are teams from Gawa and security. Hiyo ndio kazi tunafanya sasa vile tumeelezwa na Mheshimiwa Rais wetu. So, tupembelezane. Tufuate sheria ndio, tufuate maagizo tumepewa, but also people need to be reasonable in the manner in which we are going to be very reasonable, but we are going to apply the enforcement with a measure of common sense that we will discuss with people, and then we can see the challenges that people have. Like now, we have responded to the interest that people had. They said this roadblock is stressing a lot of Nairobi population, and indeed we have come physically on behalf of the security team, and we can see we are not unreasonable people. What they're asking is a very reasonable thing. We have agreed to move the roadblock up a bit, so that the population of this place is not unduly stressed. Yes. That's how.
But there is another concern. On the other side where we have come from, a bus broke down even before the announcement. And they were coming from Kakamega to Mombasa. Now they don't have anywhere to go. They can't go to Mombasa, they can't go back to Kakamega.
Well, I think in cases, extraordinary cases like those will be reviewed on a case-by-case basis. I mean, honestly speaking, in a massive campaign like this, we have the regulations as outlined in the operational order that we have issued and what our colleagues are doing. But obviously, because, for whom do we work? We work for the people of Kenya. We will look at case by case and see the merits and demerits of a case as we take decisions, and our officers are going to do that in the various areas. Since morning I've been answering these questions, and I believe my colleague here, the IG, is the same. If we have to transport a body, if a relative of mine died in Nairobi, and I have to transport a body, what is going to happen? That is a reasonable thing. We will come to the roadblock, you will find senior police officers there, they are human beings, and your case will be addressed in that kind of situation. I have a cancer patient who must go to Kenyatta National Hospital. if I put them on an ambulance, am I going to be returned at the roadblock? Obviously no, because you are going to meet reasonable Kenyans, friendly, farm security people who will review your case. So we'll deal with this on a case-by-case basis. Those extraordinary situations, we'll deal with them on a case-by-case basis. Let's also not be, almost ridiculous in some of the issues that we are demanding. So a case like that one will be addressed in that kind of situation. But I want members of the public to understand, we are doing this for all of us. It's good for all of us. We are not doing this to punish our people. We are not doing this to be draconian and so on. But we also have to agree. We have to be firm. Environments that have succeeded to deal with this problem are environments where people have said this is the way to go and it has been followed. Where we try to sometimes amend the law and introduce all this monkeying around is where you fail, and we are not going to accept that bit.
What about those people that are crossing by foot after being dropped distances away?
You heard me tell the county commissioner and the county police commander. We will see them, those who are trying to cross by foot and those who are lying, and we will deal with them, because what they're trying to do is they're trying to cut corners and they're trying to beat the regulations. We will not allow them to beat the regulations. That is why we have all these officers here. Tutawakamata na tutawarudisha vizuri vile wanatakiwa kuwa. Lazima tufuate vile tunaelezwa. Hatuwezi kufanya mzaha na kazi kama hii.